Alright, hey everybody, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came out of an umai crate. You can go to japancrate.com and find those there. And use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Not too shabby. So, we've got this Maruchan Kitsune Udon. You might be familiar with their Akai Kitsune Udon, but I don't know what the difference is. So I guess we'll see. Yeah. And the kids are on vacay. So we got their udon, dropping it in the water. And we have the kitsune. Well, I don't know if that's exactly the correct way to call it. It's fried tofu. Yep. So we got 5 minutes on that. And we've got a fork. To the disdain of many, to the not caring about the disdain of me. Let's get this stuff moving a little bit. Come on, come on. There you go. Get underneath. I want you down there. I want you to get all that watery goodness. And I want you... See, this is the thing. It would be a lot easier to prepare this, obviously, in the bowl. But then I got to do a whole bunch of extra work at the end of the show. And it's just... You know... But it's the same amount of liquid because that's the nice thing about Japanese instant noodles. They always tell you on the side how much liquid goes in the bowl, which is really handy. This one, 350 milliliters of liquid. So there's our seasoning. Give it a little bit of a schmear. Get under there, tofu. Tofu is pretty good in these usually. Lid it off, and there we are. So it is Tuesday, the 5th of July. So much to my sadness and disappointment, we didn't have a fireworks show here in beautiful Kenmore this year. They're saving it for when our new bridge opens, which, you know, okay, I get it. But then again, it's like, just do 2 of them. Spend the money. Just do it. Come on. The whole fireworks thing is just ridiculous. Because it's like, I like fireworks. Do I want to shoot any off? No, not really. Can you shoot them off here? No, it's not legal. They're banned. So, some people are like really grumpy about that. Other people don't care and do it anyways. Honestly, yeah, there's a fireworks ban in the city of Kenmore, but it's like you can go over to Bothell and do it. Some people say that's not freedom. It's like, oh please, you're gonna worry about lighting things and blowing your hand up? I don't know. I think there's certain rules in place for people who are just kind of not all that good at doing things that make sense. You know, I had a buddy once who came out. We were shooting off fireworks, and he had a little mortar. You drop the little ball that has the long... Hey! Remember, you gotta be quiet if you want tablet. Okay? Thank you. So basically, it's a tube. Like, think of a tube from paper towels, right? And then you've got this little ball with a long fuse off it. So you drop it all in, or down the tube, you light the thing, stand back, and the thing, it just goes thump, right? Well, he carried the damn thing in his backpack over to our place, and it got squished a little bit. So he's like, shush! So he's like shoving it down in the tube, and it's tight. So when he got it in there, he's like, it's not going in there so easy, huh? So, of course, it takes a little more oomph to get out of the tube, right? Well, it should be kind of loose. So, when it does that extra bit, it doesn't go as high. So, the thing went up like 10 feet and just went like right over everybody's head. It was freaky. It was freaky. Many moons ago, in a galaxy far, far away. Gladly, gladly, gladly. You know, I used to play with fireworks when I was a kid, of course, you know. Did I burn myself? There was one time I had this little whistling frog thing that I lit on our patio up in Anacortes. And it started it like whistles and jumps around. Was it a frog? It was a frog. We also had the tanks too. Those were fun. But anyways, this thing was like jumping all over the place, and I was barefoot, and I think I was probably like 13. It was like, ah! It went for a little while too. Stupid kid. You don't like that crap off in bare feet on the patio. You don't do it. But I did, you know. There's that, there's that. Very good, very good. Okay, here's our udon. Nice and thick, flat. I generally like the ones that are the fresh looking stuff that comes in the little pouches that you barely only have to cook for like 1 minute. I like that style of udon much better. I think it's an alimentary paste udon. But let's give this a try. A little sweet, a little bonito. Not bad, actually. I would say this one's one of the better ones. Yeah, I will try the, let me use this one. You might not have seen this bowl before. I haven't used it in forever. Doesn't usually tend to work out so well. But I guess I better try using it and find out if it's going to work somewhat well. And if it doesn't, it's going to get retired. I've got so many bowls that are like, oh, I love this bowl, it's so cool looking, but the pictures come out like garbage or this or that. So here's our tofu. Our kitsune. Kitsune translates to fox. So I don't know. The tofu fox. I'll just scissor it. And then I'll fold it over so you can't tell that I did that. Hopefully. So it kind of looks like a tongue. Yeah. What? It's good. It's good. I like this style of tofu, this fried tofu. So we're gonna move that over this way a little. And we've got, I don't know about mung bean sprouts in this one. I think I'm gonna steer clear of those. But I do have some fish cake. Mimi's out there. What is fish cake? She knows full well what fish cake is. Man. I'm like in a sourcing rut right now. It's like I need to get a couple things. I've got a decent amount of spring onion, but boy, they're nice, but they are big, and the bigger ones tend to go a little quicker towards going south. Not working as well. All right. Man. There you go. Well, that was fun. Thanks for watching. The next one I'll be doing is one from a Zen Pop box. This is Nor by Ajinomoto. This is a clam chowder pasta. It looks like rotini with clam chowder flavor in it. We'll see. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.